I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. The secret to mastery is boring repetition. Same setup, same timing, same rules. That boredom is actually confidence forming because only discipline makes speed sustainable. Fast trading, slow mind.
Here we will also open a short trade in the direction of the trend. Let's highlight the working area, and I will explain the entry principle to you now. Look, we have a downward trend, that's one. We can see it all. The price is going down, plus this is a very good resistance area. In general, then we touch the upper moving average of the channel, and after this, these signals and also our RSI indicator tells us that the movement should move downwards from the overbought areas. So, we will open a short trade in the direction of the trend. Overall, we are already seeing a good exit. I don't think this candle will go anywhere higher.
Making consistent profit isn't like it's knowledge. That's why in my Telegram I teach strategies step by step and give daily signals with strong accuracy. Join the Sawyer Community and learn how to trade like pro.
This trade is likely closed in profit with less than 10 seconds. So, let's watch. And yes, our trade closed in profit without any problems.
Today I saw price hit support and bounce weekly. That told me buyers were tired. I flipped bears and joined the stronger side. It wasn't intuition, it was logic through reaction. The trade followed smoothly.
Scalping, it's not about adrenaline, it's about being calm inside a chaos. The chart moves fast, but your mind must stay slow. If your pulse races, you're already too late. Patience beats speed, not the minute chart.
Let's open a short trade here, rather than following the trend, since I think we'll get a good signal here. Let's highlight the working area as a whole. There seems to be a good signal here for a short, since we are focusing on the RSI. Here we've touched at the upper moving average of our Bollinger Band channel, and accordingly we'll expect a downward movement. After this touch, we'll wait for a slight pullback. I think it's better to do just then in this area and open a short trade, especially since we see that our RSI is in the overbought area, and accordingly it's better to open a short trade. Let's see, there are just under 10 seconds left until the trade closes. And in the final seconds, the deal closes in profit.
Sometimes I notice confidence appearing in the chart before any real impulse. Candles tighten, reactions become cleaner, and small pushes form early signs. This quiet build-up often predicts a controlled acceleration. I prefer entering during this warm-up phase rather than after the explosion. Early controlled entries usually offer the most stable results. Click the link below and see the real strategy in action. Completely free. I personally teach my members during live practice sessions so they can understand every step of the progress. Join the Telegram, get your free strategy breakdown, and start trading with knowledge, not luck.